Hello everyone, welcome to another really quick video on Threads app. Now this is a new app from Instagram and from Meta. Today I will show you how you can go and find your Instagram followers, or really just followers, on the Threads app. So first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to open the Threads app right here. This is the app right here. I don't have the access to the app, so that's why I'm recording it like this. Now you need to open the Threads app. It can be downloaded for free from the App Store, and it's completely free to use in the US, so just in the US. So you'll need to go to your profile. This is step 2. You'll need to go right here to your profile. Bottom of the screen, just go to your profile section, and this is how it's going to look like right here. Now from your profile, you need to click on the followers button. Now make sure to click on the followers button. As you can see, once you click on the followers, you can swipe across to the following heading right here, and here you can click see all. So as you can see others that you're following on Instagram that you're not following on Threads yet. So you can click see all, and then that's pretty much it. You can tap follow all, or you can tap follow manually each other. Right here you can follow manually as well, and then all you have to do is just click OK. You'll start following those who are public on Threads, and a request will be sent to those who are private. So that's pretty much how you can go and how you can find your Instagram followers and really any followers on Threads app. So if you have any questions or maybe comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.